Think of your clearest childhood memory. Maybe it's a birthday. You can see the cake. You can smell the candles. I have bad news. That memory is a lie. Neurologically, a memory is not a video file you play back. It is a live reconstruction, and every time you access it, you destroy the original. This is the process of reconsolidation. Imagine your memory is a book on a shelf. When you want to remember it, you take the book down. You read it, but you cannot put it back without writing in the margins. Your current mood, the temperature of the room, the person you are talking to, all of that gets written into the memory before you put it back on the shelf. By the time you are 20, you aren't remembering the event. You are remembering the last time you remembered it. It's a game of telephone played inside your own head. We are the sum of our memories, but if our memories are fiction, then who are we? Think about that.